FMGE 2023 Admit card will be released on 25th July 2023 today. Candidates can download the FMGE Hall ticket from the official portal at nbe.edu.in. Candidates can follow the steps mentioned below to successfully download FMGE 2023 Admit card. Step 1. Candidates must click on the FMGE 2023 Admit card June-December session on the official website. Step 2. Using registered login credentials, log in and access the Admit card. Step 3. Cross-check the details on the Admit card to spot any errors. Step 4. After that, download the Admit card and take a printout of it to carry it to the exam center on the day of the exam. Step 5. Affix passport size photographs on the Admit card as and where mentioned. That's it for today's video. For more related details, candidates can check out our website at www.getmyuni.com by clicking the link in the description.